Do. We're live here at the San Francisco Medical Center, Kaiser's facility on Geary Boulevard, at the scene of a massive strike involving mental health care workers statewide. This thing started at 6 o'clock this morning, and there are well over 100 people out here right now. We're looking at them carrying signs saying, Kaiser, don't be a miser. Mental health, not corporate wealth. Kaiser, making America wait again. A couple hundred people expected to be cycling in and out for the next 8 hours. Statewide, that's 4,000 mental health care workers striking across 8 different locations from Sacramento to San Diego. The union says that they are understaffed, which means patients are waiting a month or two for appointments, and that there's one clinician for every 3,000 patients. The union says Kaiser is sending out about a third of their patients outside of the network where there is not easy access to medical history records. Kaiser itself says that they have been beefing up their staff and investing millions of dollars in their facilities. And Kaiser released a statement saying in part, quote, "It's particularly disheartening that union leadership would call this strike during the holiday season when many of our patients with mental health needs may be at their most vulnerable."
Any time is bad. It's not convenient to strike and to delay care. But every day of every month, there's a critical staffing situation here.
And this strike goes every day, Monday through Friday this week, 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. with large rallies set for lunchtime. We're live in San Francisco. Kiet Do, KPIX 5.